everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Click the subscribe button, hit the little bell, and let's be friends. Okay, my sweet peeps, how's it going? Happy Monday. So this is a little last minute decorate with me and a little tour of the living room slash house. I mean, it's not much. Truly, it's not much. It's really not much. I'm inviting you all into my home. I can't believe it's Christmas 2024 already. I am actually getting ready to pack and leave because I'm gonna go see Angela. You all know that if you're new here. That's my daughter. She lives in Florida, and I will be making my way back to Florida very, very soon. Within the next little while here. It's up in the air right now, but that's the grand plan. Okay, so I usually, y'all, this is like sad and good in a way, and I don't know, whatever. This year I really wanted to do like a wintry white wonderland where I live, because it's so small and everything is so dark. And by the way, just so you know, I am filming this on Sunday evening. It is maybe 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it is pitch black outside. It is pitch black. Like, it's so dark out. It's unbelievable. All right, so what I want to start with is this little DIY I did. It's so cute. It's so inexpensive, and it's fantastic. If you've got like a leftover piece of garland, this cheapy garland, and get yourself some picks, either from Dollar Tree or Walmart. I got mine from Walmart. They're 98 cents at Walmart, and they're like $1.25 at Dollar Tree. You can tear this apart for next year or keep it, or, you know, whatever. It is so inexpensive and so easy to make. We're going to go do that right now, and then I'm going to take you on a little tour and show you some new stuff I got. And this is real life. I got a pot on the stove cooking. I'll show you what I made for Sunday night's dinner. It's very traditional food, very homey, you know, cozy food. All right, let's get into it, because yeah. Okay, everybody, I just wanted to show you what I'm doing here on the back of my door. Now, this looks like one of those teardrops, but you know what it is? It's just a piece of garland that I shaped into this. I added the bows. I just made these bows with whatever ribbon I had left. And I put one poinsettia here. It's one of these with the little clip in the back. You see that? So I just placed it there, just to give it some dimension, and it looks like a teardrop, and I think it looks really pretty. And then I was in Walmart, and I got these. I got 3 of them. They're like faux magnolia little things. Do you know these were only 98 cents? I mean, how cute for 98 cents. And then I got, so I got 3 of these. Let me get the other ones. And then I got 2 of these, champagne. And I got these, they have them again this year. I got these last year. But I want to put them in here and make this look real fancy and really cute. I don't know if I'm going to use both, but let's see. I'm going to bring you in a little closer, and let's do this together. Y'all, I just want to tell you how easy this is to do. I'm just taking the picks, and I'm securing them by wrapping the actual like greenery around the pick. That's it. That's all I'm doing to secure it. This is so easy. And like I said, you can keep it or you can tear it apart and use all this stuff in a different way next year. There's so many creative things you can do, especially with this kind of greenery that's all wired and the picks that are all wired. I just love using any kind of wired stuff. And sorry, you can see the back of my head. All right, y'all, let's continue. I think this turned out so cute. I mean, so cute. How inexpensive and how, like, just something you could just, y'all, it was a piece of garland. It was a piece of garland that I had bought to make the centerpiece in the kitchen because I wanted really inexpensive greenery. And then I thought of using it in another location, which I'm going to flip you around right now. And I'm going to show you the little tour of the townhouse. It's so small, y'all. It is so tiny, but I've got it packed with decor, packed with decor. So if you live in a tiny space, this is what you can achieve. All right. So here's some little bit of motivation for everybody. Okay, y'all, this is what you see when you walk in. It's so little. That's like a little hallway down there. We're going to go there in a minute. And here's my little, like, sofa table, front entrance table. And I have my lamp. And I have my little nativity. Because for me, this is the most important part of the season. It is all about our Savior, Jesus, and this is why we celebrate Christmas. This is why I celebrate Christmas, because of Jesus's birthday. So here I have this little tiny trinket thing, and I just have some chocolate filled out in there. I love this nativity. Last year I did something really good with it, but yeah. And then these candle holders are from last year. And so is this greenery that you see here. And they did not have this year at Walmart. It's, I think it's Better Homes and Garden, but I'm not sure. But then I bought forest green candles just to put on there. All right, let's go over here. Okay, so here, I have my mirror up, and I found these sconces at the thrift store. And then I added a little ribbon and this wreath from Hobby Lobby. And here on the little table, I got, and don't mind the wires, I got this little vase, which I'm so obsessed with, and this little greenery picks, and it's two little penguins because I love penguins. My mom loved penguins also. So that's what you see there. And then I did this over here. I think this turned out really cute. And that's the only color you're going to see down here right now. You're not, that's the door leading to my to the back of the townhouse. So I just, I wrapped this garland from Hobby Lobby. It's got little twinkle lights in it. I put some little twinkle lights. And I picked the red berries out of it, actually. And then I just hung these icicles. And these icicles, y'all, are so pretty. Look at them. They're from Hobby Lobby. I think they're so beautiful. Oh, there, I did leave the berries in. Okay. I thought I picked them all out. And then there's just a plain ribbon. Okay, so let's go over here. You can see my kitchen. All right, so there's my little living room. There's really not much to it, y'all. Really not much. I got this blanket on the couch. I got another blanket down there. My coffee table. I just have a little greenery and these ornament picks from Walmart, Hobby Lobby. And then a little, in my tray, got a little sign and a candle. And I love how the tree turned out. Okay, I absolutely love it. Let me see if I can, hold on. Okay, so if you follow me on Instagram, you know I took apart this tree. I took it apart and started from scratch, moving everything around. I moved the lanterns because I wanted them to be more predominant. Let me see, I really got, this place is really small, yo. To see anything, you gotta really move back. But do you see the lanterns now? They're very predominant. And I love the little flickering lights, the little flickering candles in them. I just think this adds to that like magic of Christmas. So what I've shown you this already, so I'm not gonna go too much into detail, but I did change the topper, I changed the bow, and I put the lantern, like, so the bow and the lantern are like catty corner to each other. And I think that looks way better, way, way better. I love how the tree turned out. Now, I got these icicles. Oh, sorry, it's not focusing very well. Those icicles are from Hobby Lobby, and then the long ones are from Dollar Tree. And this is something else I added to the tree since I decorated it. And I love it. I love it. And I love the lights on this tree. Okay. And then on the top of the table, and please ignore all the wires because they're all Osmars and they drive me crazy. These vases, I got them from Hobby Lobby. And I just have some greenery in there. And then this giant poinsettia from Hobby Lobby also. And then here, I added this little tray that I got recently at Aldi. And I think it's so pretty. I'm going to use it in other locations. But there's my Santa Claus. And, oh my God, the wires just look horrible. But anyways, we're not going to be here much longer. So I really don't want to do much. All right, this is these lamps that I have. They have like 3 little shelves to them. Oh, you can see my basket with my blankets in it. I just added some holly around it, and this is my like deer deer tower, let's call it that. So there's the deer tower. These deers, this one and the one way on the bottom there, are thrifted. And I just put him on a little pedestal. And then this I got last year at Walmart. I love it. And then this was some inexpensive garland. And then I did these curtain lights in my window. And it's just very simple. Very, very simple decor. And you could see that. And you can see my messy desk back there. But yeah, that's it. I love this. This is also something I'm going to be taking with me. I just wanted to show you. This is a vintage frame that I found at the thrift store last year. I think it is so beautiful. I don't know who it's made by. Let me see. Does it focus better? Yeah, focus a little bit better. Isn't that gorgeous, y'all? And here's my real life working kitchen. There's plates in the sink, and there's my centerpiece. I love it. I think it looks great. Some napkins, the butter. And there's my decor in my kitchen this year. I did a lot of gingerbread, but I did change things out a bit. But here, let's show you dinner. So it's green beans with beef and potatoes in like a red stew sauce. It is so good. And this beauty is from Aldi. Highly recommend. If you ever find their Crofton stuff Wow, great quality. Okay, my sweet friends, that's it. That's the little house, the little townhouse. Very, very tiny, very, very tiny. It's a little kitchen on this floor, a little living room, a powder room, and a laundry area. And I got my desk tucked under the staircase, which is horrific. It's got like everything piled on it. Because I also do my makeup there. Yeah, but I've made do. I'm very looking forward to moving and getting everything out of storage and unpacking and just doing the whole thing. And I cannot wait. And I'm declaring next Christmas you will see the most. It's gonna be over the top, ridiculous Christmas ever next year. I'm declaring it. I'm believing in it, and I know it's gonna happen. I know it's gonna happen. Anyways, it's been a real journey, and this year I have to say has been really difficult for me. Really difficult. I lost my cousin that we shared the same name. That was absolutely devastating to me. She was my oh my, here we go. My older cousin Anna, and it's devastating. Then I lost my mom. Like 2024 for me has not been good. Not been good. Now there has. Well, y'all, that's real life. That's real life. Life is not always perfect. Losing my mom was just losing my mom was the worst thing that could have happened to me. I still I'm very struggle. I struggle with it a lot. I reach for my phone about 700 times a day to call her. Mm-hmm. That's how much I used to talk to my mom every day. So, well, okay, I'm sorry about that again. Are we gonna get through this video? Maybe, maybe not. All right, y'all. I want to wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. May you find love and peace and joy in everything that you do. I have another couple videos before I leave for Florida to put up. I got something cooking up my sleeve. What am I cooking? So you're gonna have to come back and see that video because I got something that I'm cooking up, and it's gonna be like a thing that you're gonna see coming in the future. Maybe something from the past that's gonna go into the future. So cryptic, Bella. What are you telling us? Nah, you'll see. You'll see on Wednesday. Anyways, so that's it. That's my little tour. That's my little Christmas home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you find some joy. You know, wherever you live, you need to make it your home. Your house is a reflection of who you are. This is a reflection of who I am. I like a lot of sparkle, a lot of glitz and glam, and, you know, touches of decor everywhere. I mean, if I could put decor everywhere, I totally would. Am I looking forward to packing this place up? Yes. Am I looking forward to leaving? Yes. Yes. I miss my daughter like crazy, and I cannot wait to be back in Florida full time. So I'm really, really looking forward to it. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you all on Wednesday. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Mwah.